Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. I truly appreciate you all returning to this space where we explore the latest innovations, cutting-edge technology, and game-changing gadgets. Today, I'm thrilled to walk you through an in-depth overview of one of the most highly anticipated camera releases on the horizon, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III. This camera has stirred incredible excitement among photographers, videographers, and hybrid content creators worldwide. And finally, we have substantial details about its groundbreaking features, projected pricing, and expected release timeline. If you've been waiting for a camera that promises both speed and versatility while pushing the boundaries of mirrorless imaging technology, stay tuned because the Canon EOS R6 Mark III might just be the ultimate tool you've been searching for. A new era of imaging performance. Let's jump right into the core details of this incredible new release. According to the most recent and reliable leaks, Canon is preparing to officially introduce the Canon EOS R6 Mark III, which is shaping up to be a remarkable successor in the EOS R lineup. This next-generation full-frame mirrorless camera is rumored to feature an impressive combination of performance enhancements, thoughtful design refinements, and cutting-edge imaging technology that could set a new benchmark in the mid-tier camera segment. For months, the photography and filmmaking communities have been buzzing with speculation about what Canon might bring to the table, and now we have a clearer vision of what to expect. Based on leaks and certification filings, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III is well on its way to becoming one of the most competitive cameras in the mirrorless market, particularly for content creators who demand speed, precision, and exceptional image quality. Design and build, familiar yet improved. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III is expected to maintain a robust magnesium alloy chassis that we've come to appreciate for its durability and weather-sealed reliability. The camera's body will likely retain the comfortable ergonomics that Canon shooters love, but subtle upgrades are anticipated. According to insider reports, we might see an improved grip texture for more secure handling, especially useful for extended shoots. Button placements and top plate controls could be fine-tuned to provide a more intuitive and seamless user experience. These refinements suggest Canon's focus on optimizing the camera's tactile feel while maintaining familiarity for those upgrading from previous models like the R6 or the R5. A particularly exciting enhancement involves the rear LCD. Canon is rumored to be introducing a 4-axis multi-angle OLED touchscreen display, which would provide greater flexibility, brighter visuals, and more accurate color reproduction, even under challenging lighting conditions. This would be a significant improvement for vloggers, YouTubers, and photographers who rely heavily on accurate framing and responsive touch controls. The electronic viewfinder is expected to deliver a high-resolution display with rapid refresh rates, potentially similar to the quality offered by the EOS R5. However, unlike the premium EOS R3, the R6 Mark III will probably not feature eye-controlled autofocus, which keeps the camera focused on delivering top-tier specs while staying accessible in terms of pricing. Sensor technology. The power of a stacked CMOS sensor. Let's talk about the real powerhouse behind the Canon EOS R6 Mark III. Its rumored 24-megapixel full-frame stacked CMOS sensor. This advanced stacked sensor architecture is a leap forward, significantly reducing rolling shutter artifacts, improving dynamic range, and enabling blistering continuous shooting speeds. For those unfamiliar, a stacked sensor design essentially allows for faster data readout and processing, making it perfect for both high-speed photography and high-resolution video capture. This improvement will likely attract sports photographers, wildlife enthusiasts, and action videographers who need speed without compromising image quality. Driving the processing engine will likely be Canon's proven Digic-X image processor, or potentially a next-generation variant that incorporates neural network acceleration. Some leaks hint at an innovative Digic accelerator system that could work alongside the primary processor to enhance real-time autofocus, intelligent noise reduction, and efficient video compression. Advanced autofocus, dual-pixel CMOS AF2. With smart subject tracking. When it comes to autofocus, Canon is renowned for delivering industry-leading performance, and the Canon EOS R6 Mark III seems poised to continue that tradition. The camera is expected to employ the sophisticated dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system, which provides seamless and intelligent subject tracking. This system will reportedly excel at detecting and following humans, animals, and moving vehicles with exceptional accuracy. Whether you're shooting fast-paced sports, unpredictable wildlife, or dynamic street scenes, this autofocus system is designed to keep your subjects sharp across the entire frame. One of the most impressive rumored features is the ability to shoot at 30 frames per second using the electronic shutter with a readout time as fast as 1/180th of a second. This puts it in direct competition with Sony's Alpha series, particularly the A7 IV and A9 III. As for the mechanical shutter, while specific burst rates haven't been confirmed, expectations suggest at least 12 frames per second in full resolution. RAW, which will cater to photographers who prefer mechanical over electronic shutters for specific scenarios. Video capabilities, 6K cinema-grade recording for content creators. Now, let's dive into the video features because this is where the Canon EOS R6 Mark III really shines for hybrid shooters. One of the most exciting leaks is the camera's rumored capability to record 6K oversampled cinema 4K video at up to 60 frames per second. This feature not only guarantees crisp detail but also provides flexibility for post-production cropping and stabilization without sacrificing resolution. Additionally, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III is expected to support Canon's XFAVCS and XFHEVCS codecs, ensuring high-quality video with efficient compression, making it ideal for professional video workflows, for slow-motion enthusiasts and action shooters. 4K at 120 frames per second might also be available, allowing for smooth, cinematic slow-motion footage. Canon's well-respected color science is likely to shine here too, with advanced profiles such as Canon Log 2 and Canon Log 3 rumored to be included, giving filmmakers greater control over dynamic range and color grading in post-production. The EOS R6 Mark III could offer up to 8.5 stops of in-body image stabilization combined with optically stabilized RF lenses. This could dramatically reduce camera shake, enabling handheld shooting even in low-light conditions without compromising image sharpness. In terms of storage, the camera is said to support dual card slots, one CF Express Type B slot for high-speed recording and one SD UHS-2 slot for backup or overflow storage. This dual-slot setup is crucial for professional workflows that require redundancy and quick data handling, especially when working with large 6K video files or high-speed burst photography. Canon may also enhance user-friendly features like improved menu navigation, faster startup times, and more customizable buttons to cater to the fast-paced demands of content creators, vloggers, and event photographers. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III will likely be officially announced around late 2025, with product availability expected to follow shortly thereafter. The camera has already surfaced in various certification databases, which typically signals that a release is just around the corner. As for pricing, early estimates suggest that the EOS R6 Mark III will be positioned competitively, with the body-only version expected to fall within the $2,500 to $2,800 range. This positions the camera attractively between the enthusiast and professional markets, making it an appealing option for serious hobbyists, hybrid creators, and even some professionals who want a high-performance body without stepping into flagship pricing territory. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III is shaping up to be a powerful contender, especially against rivals like the Sony a7 IV, Nikon Z6 III, and Panasonic's mirrorless offerings. With its rumored stacked sensor, advanced autofocus, and 6K video capabilities, the R6 Mark III could offer a superior balance of speed, resolution, and video flexibility, making it a top choice for hybrid creators who need a camera that excels in both stills and motion. Its improved ergonomics, cutting-edge processor, and enhanced stabilization further solidify its position as one of the most versatile full-frame mirrorless cameras soon to hit the market.